Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I went on a mission to find vegan sweets. I chose Woolworths for the first run, and they don't sell vegan specific things, they sell everything, so I thought it'll be easily accessible by everyone. Apart from me physically going to the shops and searching for the sweets, I also used a bunch of Facebook forums to do this research. So my first haul is from Woolworths. It's not a huge range, so I hope Woolies does extend the range in soft eating gums. Delicious. Next up are these Fantasy Galore gums. It is also gelatin free. Do you say gelatine or gelatin? Hey Google, how do you pronounce gelatin?
That's pronounced gelatin.
Always check the packaging because not all of the sweets that look like this are suitable for vegans. I went through a few to get to just these 2 packets. I also found this, the Lindt dark chocolates, and it is the 70% cocoa. The 85% is also vegan friendly, and so is the classic dark. And yes, you guessed right, this is empty because I used it in a chocolate fondue for Valentine's Day. Next up we have these chocolate thins. I've never tasted these before. It's 55% dark chocolate with toasted coconuts. Not bad. Okay, and next up we have ginger nuts. I was so surprised to find out that these are vegan, and also excited because this is a great base for desserts like cheesecake. Watch out for my future video where I do use it for cheesecake. Similar to the Lindt, Woolworths does have their own range of dark chocolates, and it's organic, locally handcrafted. They do have other flavors, but this was the only one that was suitable for vegans. So Woolworths also has these amazing chips. I absolutely love them. This is made from lentil and quinoa. Woolworths also sells Oreos, and every single vegan out there knows that Oreos are vegan friendly. And lastly, Woolworths has their own range of vegan ice cream, and it's made from coconut milk, and I have tasted the salted caramel before. This is the vanilla flavored. It's my first time trying it. Wow, that's amazing. I think it'll be even better if I crush up some Oreos and throw it in. Well done, Woolies. If anything was incorrect, please let me know down in the comments. If you find other great vegan options, please let me know. I will be doing more videos like this for other shops. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and keep smiling.